Hello, you're welcome to my channel. Nice to meet you. Today I share with you how to make vegetable soup in a very special way. First of all, we are going to prepare our meat. So into my pot I'll be adding my fresh meat and one more. Then you go in with your onions and garlic. Remember, garlic is very important. It gives your meat that yummy taste. So I went in with 2 cubes of seasoning cube and just 1 head of stockfish. So I'm going to put it into my added this lasso meat spice and salt and covered it and let it cook. After a while the meat has cooked out its water, then I add some water and then covered it to cook properly. So while it is cooking properly, I'm going to wash and clean my vegetables. So mind you, I'm using spinach and bronco. So I don't know what it's called in English, but this here we speak Dutch, and what is called in Dutch is bronco. So you can Google it out from your app. Then after that I begin to slice the vegetables. So after slicing, I going to blanch the spinach. So I blanched the spinach. The reason because I want it to reduce enough water to the lowest minimum before I add it to my soup. So I washed my crayfish and blended it, set it aside. So to continue, you are going to preheat our palm oil, add some onion seed, and then we'll go in with iru or locust bean, add some salt for taste, then go in with the blended pepper mix and fry it for a period of time until the water dries up. Then we'll go in with our already prepared meat into the pot of soup. Then after that, you're going to turn it and give it a good stir until everything mixes well. Then you go in with your crayfish, and finally with the bronco. I added bronco first and gave it a good stir. At this point you are salivating, right? Me too. So you give it a good stir. Finally you go in with your already blanched spinach and give it a good mix. Can you tell me that you are not salivating? No, you are, even me. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for staying tuned to my channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more beautiful videos like this. After watching this video, you can believe with me that this is how to make the best vegetable soup. Bye.